Hi. So this is the updated or the more advanced version of my regular Ticketmaster bot. So this bot is especially designed for the business personals who do the ticket business, and this is the Ticketmaster Scalping Pro bot. So at first, let me just tell you the highlighted features here. So my regular bot could not auto checkout, but this bot can auto checkout, and it doesn't use the Chrome browser. Instead, this works in the background, and it works pretty fast compared to the uh, browser based one. And you can use here multiple accounts at the same time. So the cookies folder stores all your accounts cookies, and those cookies helps to log into your account so fast, so that you don't miss the tickets. And the .env file stores your telegram data to actually send you the notification, and the accounts.txt, you can put all your accounts there. And this is the bots file, and here you need to put your payment details, and here you need to put the proxies, and this is the documentations. So let me just run the bot and show you. So at first we need to put your event link. So to test, I have just copied this link from here, and let's just put this link now. And how many tickets do you want to buy? So let's just add here tickets. Then the maximum price today are $800, and auto checkout, because I don't want to spend $1600 just to show you the bot. So when you use the bot, you can just use the auto checkout function, but uh, just to show you, I am not using that one. I am just using the cart and notify. Let's enter. And telegram notification, for now I am just setting it to no, but you can, if you want, you can just get the telegram notification. Okay, so I forgot to add my accounts. Okay, so let's just pause the video, and add some I will add my account, and I will get back to you. Okay, so I have added my account there, and let's just run the bot once again. Event link, and number of tickets, let's put it to, then maximum price $800, and auto checkout and notification. Okay, so as you can see, on accounts have been loaded, but no proxy was found. And as we saw that the accounts are already there. Okay, but we disabled the notification, that's why it is not sending the notification. Okay, let me just add my notification details in the .env file, and then I will re-record the video to show you that how the notification works. Okay, so I have added my account there, and now let's just run the bot once again. Okay, so let's just check if that account is still if that ticket is still available there. Okay, so it's still available, so let's just try again. Okay, so let's just copy the ticket link from here once again, and it is asking for the ticket number. Let's put to maximum price, let's put $800, and auto checkout no, and telegram notification yes. Okay, so there is also already the cookies there, that's why it is working pretty fast now. And as you can see, it has also sent us the telegram link with the telegram notification with our account name and the price of the ticket also. So now if we want to just get the ticket, we can just check out. Or if we would have used the auto checkout, then it could just check out the bot instant, check out the tickets instantly. So this is how the bot works. And if you are interested in buying this bot, you can just contact me. But keep one thing in mind, that this bot is for professionals, so this bot will cost quite more than the regular ones. So keep that in mind, and please don't bargain in my inbox. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and have a good day.